You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these two words once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations in English, stay tuned. I've got many more videos for you. The top word is the singular and is pronounced as video in English. V-D-O. Video. Now the plural is pronounced similarly with a Z sound at the end, or a Z sound, or Z sound. Let's hear it, how to pronounce in English videos. V-D-Os. So singular pronunciation video, one video on YouTube, for example, several videos. Did you get this? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.